So it's been so good having you join us today on Momstown, Myra.
Yes.
Thank you so much for being
so
with
much.
us. Such an honor. This topic is so important, and we hope that the moms at home are also feeling a little bit of relief.
I hope so too. Yeah, you guys are doing awesome stuff. I would love to come back and spend some time with you guys.
Terrific.
I love what you're doing on Momstown. So.
Well, you're welcome anytime in this part of the town.
And she'll bake cookies again.
And here's some cookies for you to take home. Enjoy. Yes. And Mary will open up the door for you. And
Okay.
you're always welcome to come back.
Okay. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
our
We'll
home
see
is
you
yours.
guys later.
Thanks,
Okay,
Myra. Thanks for
bye.
being with us
Bye.
today. Okay, she's a smart lady.
Yes.
I like Myra.
Well, and you know, I love that she covers these topics because we do manifest our stress, as that list I read off tells us. We manifest our stress in a lot of different ways. And
Well, you do it, I do it, we all do it. So if you're at home feeling like you're alone, or sometimes you're just stressed and that you're feeling like you're the only one going through it, or you're sometimes feeling overwhelmed by the kids and
Right.
homework and all the things that you do as a busy mom, don't feel alone, because you're certainly not.
right, I think if you asked any of your girlfriends, have you ever felt this feeling of anxiety or stress or a little bit of depression? Reach out and talk to your friends, because they most likely will say, I have, or I am right now, or I know someone who does. That sounds very similar. It sounds like you're really stressed out or have a lot of anxiety. So reach out and talk to someone.
Well, and I think what you were talking about today, also being present in the moment, and then saying no and treating that as a gift of service to people. So when you actually say no, what Myra was talking about, is an actual gift of service. So it's okay to say no. It's okay to not to sit on every committee and
Right.
to do it all. We always say you can have it all, you just don't have to do it all.
Right, and also remember that if you are feeling fear or anxiety, switch over to gratitude. Just thank whatever is in your life, have thanks for it, because you can't hold a space for gratitude and fear at the same time. And gratitude is a lot more fun. As she said, it just opens you up.
And if it's really starting to be too much, you always need to recognize when it's time to go talk to somebody, a real professional,
Right.
and that there's no shame or anything in that.
Oh, no.
If someone can help you, it's just like going to a doctor.
I'm happy to pay someone to listen to me talk. I do it all the time.
So we also
good.
invite you to go to momstown.com and sign up for our newsletter, and you can post on the blog there at Momstown if you have any comments about any of the topics that we talk about on the show. We also invite you to be part of our Momstown Mayor Network, which is getting ready to launch. It's going to be amazing.
Yes.
All new features, new benefits, new everything you can have. When you become a mayor, you get a website, a Momstown website, you get a Momstown email, and you get to be part of this kind of really savvy, hip group of moms. I'm
That's
so
right.
excited.
And when you are a mayor for us in your town or for your affinity, your cause, we profile each mayor on our show right here. So we're looking forward to meeting you, if that's on Skype or in person.
Yes,
Be
absolutely.
Fantastic.
Our goal really is to have a mom in every town, because we know that moms, when mom's feeling good and when mom's connected and when mom's feeling strong and empowered, is not only a good thing for that mom and her family and friends, but it's a great thing for the community. And the bigger picture, it's a great thing for the world, for the economy, for everything. So our goal at Momstown is to empower moms across the town so that they can empower the world.
Right. And then we're going to conquer the world with all of you.
So watch out.
We're going to take over. Mom's taking over the world.
We're coming to your town. No, we would really
it's gonna be great.
send us an email to bigbreak@momstown.com. We have information about the Mayor Network on momstown.com, and then we have some really cool things that are going to be launching, and some products. If you're interested in how to make money online, we have a Internet Riches for Moms
Yes.
is on the website.
If you're a writer, publish that book is on our homepage of the website. And the Big Break Manual, I don't know if it's on there. We'll take a look.
It should be.
But we have lots of resources for you.
Yes.
And also with the Mayor Network, you're going to have, a connection to moms around the country, and we all reach out to one another and kind of create another relationship.
Well, and that's
It's awesome.
and that's really why we created the network. We created the network because we know that moms really care about what's happening in their neighborhoods. And so moms are the pulse of the family and the community. And so we recognized, hey, if we want to have a strong pulse, we need to have a strong mom in every town. And so we wanted to give her the tools, which are the websites and the social media and the opportunities to connect and to bring moms together. So that's really the purpose and the mission of the network. And if you're interested, we would love for you to be a part of it.
Yeah.
I am so excited about the direction where everything's headed.
I'm thrilled. We've been laying the foundation for a very long time, but now the walls are being built and we're going to start decorating.
We're going to start decorating. Absolutely. We're finally out of the dirt, like you like to say, on building something.
Yes.
Also, if you have suggestions about the show or topics that you'd like for us to discuss or you want to be on the show, send an email to bigbreak@momstown.com. Those emails go to both Mary and I, and
Heather
we'd love
will
to
answer
hear
it.
from you. All of them. We answer as many of the emails as we possibly can, so
Absolutely.
please, think of us and send an email, and we would love to hear from you because your opinion matters.
Yes, and we loved the comments that you make about the show, even when you guys have really helpful tips. Like, oh, you guys don't do that or do this. We really like that. Like when they said, be nicer to me. Who said that?
Someone did. Anyway, we're at the end of the show, and this town is your town. We invite you to participate with us and be a part of the show. So go to momstown.com, send the emails, and give us your feedback. We'd love to hear from you.
And you know what else? At Momstown, we are conquering the home economics.
Yes, we are.
Everyday
And
life.
while we do that, we want you to go live the life you crave, and we're going to go get some chocolate chip cookies.